Hi Sam. How are you? Guess what? My car has met with an accident, and it's severely damaged. I just wanted to scrap it off. Do you know where can I get best scrap value for old and damaged cars?
Let's go to Auswide Car Removals tomorrow.
But Sam, are you sure it's the best place for accident car removal in Sydney?
You'll believe me when you meet them.
We accept all types and brands of cars. We offer the most competitive prices for old, used or damaged cars. Almost up to $9,999. Just give us a call on +61402700111, log into www.unwantedcarremovalsydney.com.au to provide us with details of your car and get a free quote for your car. If you are pleased with our quotation, give us a preferred date and time to visit your location. Our representative will visit your location for free and provide immediate cash for car and take away your old scrap car at no extra cost. We even provide DLVA of your vehicle.
Thank you, sir.